Nice camera action.
Lobster pot, hookah duck. So, papiliin natin si Chade kung anong gusto niya. Oh! So, lobster pot. 2 games, $10. 5 games, $20. Sa ring toss, 24 rings, $10. 1 bucket, $20. 1 hot with rings, $30. Okay. So, he's trying lobster pot. So, kailangan yung ma-shoot yung dalawang bola dun sa balde. Pag nag-stay yung dalawang bola, then you win. Pero, kung malaglag yung isa, then you lose. So, those ball-like floppy ones are inflatables. Oh no! You lose again.
Go, mommy. It's a scam. Thank you.
So we're going to try hookah duck. 5 ducks for $20. So kukuha ka ng duck dyan. Then may mga numbers sila sa ilalim. You will add it up. Then ito yung pwede mong mga makuha. So may mga sizes siya. So with this game, sure win ka na. Bakit? Kasi yung mga number ng ducks, numbered sila from 2 to 30 and at least 10 points lang yung kailangan mo. May makukuha ka ng maliit na toy. So let's try hookah duck for $20. We got this large unicorn. Parang binili mo lang siya $20, pero okay lang, asaya naman. Okay, now he's going to try the claw machine. Baka nandito yung swerte niya sa movie world. Kunin mo yan, kunin mo yan. Oh,
Scam.
no. So, $3 per play lang siya, kahit anong claw machine. Oh, please, please, go ahead. No.
Go, mommy. Go, mommy. Ano yan? Wala ka namang decision kung alin kukunin mo. Go, mommy, go, go. Hey!
Roxy Theater. We're waiting for the Tom and Jerry 4D experience. Yeah. So the movie will start at 12:50 p.m. and it's only 12:35 p.m. So we're just going to wait for 15 minutes. Yeah.
Talagang may pila.
Yeah, that's
Kaya
not too
tayo na
long.
lang.
So we're done with the Tom and Jerry 4D experience. And it was so awesome! Nakakatuwa! Oo! Nakakamiss tuloy manood ng Tom and Jerry! Feeling ko manonood kami ng itchat ng Tom and Jerry.
Favorite ko yun dati eh.
Oo, ang ganda kaya. As in, talagang yumayanig yung ano mo, upuan mo. Tapos pag sinandal mo yung ulo mo, masakit kasi nauuntog ka. Ang sakit pa lang maging si Tom.
Kawawa naman si Tom.
Lagi siyang nasasaktan. Now I understand you, Tom. Kung bakit galit na galit ka kay Jerry. So, some trivia, guys. The real name of Jerry is Gerald Mouse. And the real name of Tom is Thomas Cat. So, yung next itinerary natin is the Justice League.
3D.
Justice League. So, 3D experience naman to. Let's see kung ano magagawa natin sa loob. Ito siya, guys. Tara! That's me! Entrance pa lang yan, guys. Ito pa yung pinaka active. Yay! Yep, just two. Ayan, guys, makikipagbarilan tayo. Tutulungan natin mga superheroes. There is Chad is there. Ayun. He's walking right there. Yan, mag-wait lang siya to ride the Green Lantern. So, isa na naman tong thriller rides, kaya ayoko. Buti na lang nag-enjoy ang asawa ko kahit siya lang. Actually, nag-enjoy kami both. Now, he's going in. He's riding it now. They're just waiting for the time to go. Okay, there going na. So, yan yung sinasakyan ni Chad, yan naandar na yan. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at that. May puno kasi. Yan na sila. Sigaw kaya siya. Go. Aba, tahimik. No shouting at all. Okay, there you go. Ayan na siya. So, ayan guys. Dito sa katabi ng observation area sa Green Lantern, nandito yung locker room. Ayan. Yan yung locker room. So, $12 yan. Unlimited access for the whole day na. So, just in case na gusto nyo iwan yung gamit nyo, medyo may malalaki kayong gamit, dito siya, $20 per day yan. Unlimited access na din. So, ayan yung locker room dito sa Movie World. So, don't worry about your things. You can just put them here. So, just in case you want to take a photo with Batman and Robin, you will just pay $25. Meron na yung 2 hard copies ng photo ninyo. Ayan guys, $25. Okay, hindi siya included sa fast photo. Yan guys, I just wanna show you kung gaano kaangas yung sasakyan ni Batman. Diba? That's Batman and Robin there. You will just pay $25 for the 2 hard copies of your photo. Ayan. Photo of your choice. Diba? Angas. So, ayan guys. Silipin natin kung anong meron sa Warner Bros. Kids. So, syempre, mga kids, right? Pero, check din natin. Oh, meron din dito yung mga games. Yung Hook-a-Duck, meron pa ulit. So, there's the carousel. Looney Tunes carousel. There's also a roller coaster. Ayan. Yan. Mag-enjoy talaga bata dito. So, ayan. Dito yung Roadrunner roller coaster. So, kids edition pa din. Mini roller coaster for the kids. So, sarado siya ngayon kasi on maintenance. So, always make sure, guys, to check the Movie World site or the Village Roadshow app para makita nyo kung ano yung mga rides na open and ano yung mga rides na closed. Kasi syempre, itong Movie World is 24/7, walang day off ang Movie World, talagang open sila 365 days a year. So ayun, kailangan nila ng maintenance, kaya meron sila mga biglaang maintenance na unexpected talaga. So, just understand na lang, di ba? So, mag-e-enjoy ka pa rin kasi instead of the rides, pwede ka rin, o kaya, kung hindi ka makapag-rides, pwede ka pa rin manood ng mga shows and marami ka pang activities na pwedeng gawin. So, ayan guys, there's a lot of store here, souvenir store here, boutiques here sa Movie World. So, ayan, kids store itong pinasok namin ni Chad, eh. Meron sila mga rep magnets for $6. You can choose your favorite character there. Yeah. Then, of course, some clothes for your kids. Okay, and also, we have some stuffed toys there. A pen there, lollies. Oh, we also have this one. Ayan. So, yan yung mga souvenirs na pwede nyo ipasalubong sa mga kiddos ninyo. They also have the capes here. So, halos lahat ng batang napasok dito sa Movie World may capes. So, let's see the other store. So, ayan. Charlie the Chocolate Factory. Dyan, mga lollies yan. Hindi lang more on chocolates. Pero yung ibang lollies din. Meron frozen coke din para sa gusto malamig na malamig kasi medyo mainit talaga dito. Yan, meron din dito mga customized gifts just in case na yung souvenirs na gusto nyo customize. Then, photo center. Ito naman yung pwede mag-picture sa inyo sa mga favorite characters nyo for $25. And then, ayan yung hall, my sweet treats. Nandun din yung ibang mga restaurant and food stall na pwede nyo mabilan. Ayan yung ibang food stall dyan. Ito nga pala guys yung main street dito sa Movie World. Ayan. Diba? So, madaming tao kasi later on merong show. Mag-show si Wonder Woman. Tapos, magkakaroon ng big parade kung saan yung mga favorite characters nyo ay makikita natin. So, this is the Village Bin. Bibili daw siya ng kanyang drink dahil uhaw na siya and ayaw niya ng water. Gusto niya may lasang drink at malamig. Hi, Batman! Ayan, nandito nga lang pala sa tabi ng Village Bin si Batman and Robin. Diyan sila napwesto. Just one drink, we can share. So, what did you order?
I ordered chocolate Kit Kat.
For how much?
Huh?
For how much?
For $8.
Oh, good. So, it's just for you to refresh. Because it's so hot here.
Hindi ganun katamis. Sarap.
Okay, boys. Easy way or the hard way? Excellent.
Ayan guys, You can take a photo with your favorite characters here. Basta yung makikita nyo lang dito sa street. Pwede kayo mag-picture. Oh my God! So, ayun, ang hindi ko na lang nakikita na gusto ko makita is si Superman na lang.
Mamaya,
oh, please. Superman. So, later, at 3:30 p.m., yung Star Parade. So, that's the biggest parade na nangyayari dito sa Movie World. So, mahaba pa oras natin kasi it's only 2:55 p.m. So, we still have 35 minutes to roam around here sa Movie World. So, pakita ko sa inyo yung ibang mga boutique and souvenir shops. So, ayan, meron din dito Warner Bros. Boutique. So, general yan. They also have shirts, jumper, jackets, long sleeves, cups, mugs. Ayan. They also have tumblers, cups. So cute! And it's so expensive as well. Oh, this one is cute. $20 only. You also have a keychain na. I want that, Daddy. Oh, bracelet. So, just in case na madami kayo napanalunan sa mga games, ayan, may mga bags din for only $4. Meron din tayong hoodie. And a cap. Ayan. They also have towels, just in case you get wet. So, let's see what's in here sa Warner Bros. Gallery. Movie memorabilia. So, tingnan natin kung ano mga nandito sa store na to. Uy, may mga personalized na ano, handbag charm. See that? It's $15 only. Where's my name? Jessica is one of the common name.
Jess.
They also have shirts. Where?
Jessica.
Hi, Scooby-Doo! This is... Favorite ko yan ng bata ko is Scooby-Doo.
Nice camera action.
Ayan guys, yung mga makikita nyo dito sa loob ng boutique na to. Yan, meron din silang Harry Potter. Cute naman ito. Air freshener. Oh! Just in case may nawawala kayo, pwede kayo pumunta sa guest services. Ayan. Nakakarenta din dyan ng stroller. Then, pag may nawala kayong stroller, dyan nyo din makikita. Ayan, guys. So, hanap lang kami ng pwesto na magandang pagpicturean ng mga roller coaster. So, just walking around here sa Movie World. Oh! There's still department store here. So, ayan. Halos hindi nagkakalayo yung mga prices nila and yung mga items nila. There's the same Scooby-Doo. Yeah, towels, shirts, jumper, mugs, tumblers. There's a lot of choices. Oh, there's also kitty bags here and kitty mugs. Oh, there's a lot of keychains here. See that?
Scooby-Doo pa.
Yeah. Yeah.
Scooby-Doo pa.
Scooby-Doo. Now, we will just be back to buy you charot emerald. We're going to buy this too. Pasalubong namin sa mga hampas lupa naming kapitbahay. Charot! Ayan. Para may pang-display sila sa kwarto nila. Kami nag-iisip pa kami kung anong amin. If ever we want to. You want? So, we're here sa Main Street dito sa Movie World. We're waiting for the Grand Parade. So, dun sa parade na yun, makikita natin yung mga favorite characters natin.
Ilang minutes na lang, mga 2 minutes.
Yep. 3:30 yung start, then ang duration niya is 20 minutes, so it will end at 3:50 p.m. Pero alis na rin kami ng 3:40 kasi kailangan namin habulin yung bus namin kasi may lakad pa kami later on. So ayun guys, let's watch the Grand Parade. Okay, the parade's here! The Looney Tunes are inside that mini train bus. Tapita! Okay, Wonder Woman is here as well as Superman. And of course, Catwoman. Wala mo na video kay Superman. Tsaka kay Wonder Woman. Ay, ang cute naman itong car na to. Nananabi. Bumalik. Babalik pala sila. Superman! Ah, diba? Ang angas sa sasakyan ni Batman, oh. Ay, the Flash! Ako din! Sinamahan ni Robin si Batman sa sasakyan.
Ah, tumistik ka. Tumistik ka.
Ayan na, sinamahan na ni Robin si Batman. Superheroes, guys. Shop din po yan, mga souvenirs. So, ayan, we're going out na. We're going home. So, ayan guys, yung Village Roadshow app. Pag binuksan nyo yan, makikita nyo kung saan pwedeng gamitin. Warner Bros, SeaWorld, Wet n Wild, Paradise Country. So, ayan, check nyo na lang siya pag dinownload nyo. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Movie World. So, makikita nyo dyan yung shows and events. Kung anong oras, saan. So, kasi tapos na, pauwi na kami. So, madami yan kanina at napuntahan naman namin. Then, yung rides wait times, kung ilang minutes pa yung pila, kung gaano kahaba, at saka kung saan siya located, makikita nyo rin kung saan kayo pwedeng dumaan. And yan, pwede din kayo dyan bumili ng mga tickets if you want. And yan guys, nandyan din yung mga maps. Very helpful to para iplano nyo yung buong araw nyo dito sa Movie World at sa iba nyo pang pupuntahan. So, just use the Village Roadshow app. So, that's the end of our tour here at Movie World. So, ayun guys, nakita nyo sa videos namin kung ano yung mga ginawa namin, ano yung mga pwede nyong gawin, pwedeng kainin at pwedeng panoorin sa Movie World.
Super ganda, super saya. Hindi lang siya nag-enjoy sa rides kasi hindi naman sa
No, I enjoyed it. I enjoyed it. So, we rode a carousel at saka yung mini parang Batwing space shot dun sa kids ride. So, that's enough for me. And, nag-enjoy talaga ako sa mga show. Especially sa Grand Parade at saka dun sa, Tom and Jerry The 4D Experience. So, by the way guys, we availed the ticket that cost $179. Yun yung tinatawag nila na Escape Pass.
Escape Pass.
So, that's a 3-day pass. Pwede nyo gawin everyday, straight 3 days. Nasa Movie World kayo. O kaya, Movie World 1 day, SeaWorld 1 day, Wet n Wild 1 day. Basta magamit nyo lang siya sa Movie World, SeaWorld, and Wet n Wild. Wala nang iba.
Good.
That's only cost you $179. And we also availed...
Pwede na yun, mura na yun.
Yeah, it's so cheap na. It's so affordable. Kasi mukhang mamahalin yung mga rides, di ba? So, ayun guys. We also availed the Fast Photo for 2 days, including the Movie World and the SeaWorld for tomorrow. It cost us $65 only, which is good na.
$50 siya kung digital, tapos dito
One day
lang siya.
pass lang yun,
Dito
yung
lang siya
$50.
sa SeaWorld.
Yep.
Eh, sinabi namin na pumunta pa kami ng
SeaWorld.
SeaWorld.
And for that 2 days,
$65
$65 na siya.
so, we availed na.
Yep. So, very sulit na rin siya kasi makikita din doon yung mga photos ninyo while nasa rides kayo.
Tama.
So, bawal ang video, bawal ang picture sa rides, pero pag nag-bayad kayo sa Fast Photo, pwede nyo siyang kunin digital.
Alright. So, that's our Movie World.
Yeah, that's a wrap, guys!
That's our anniversary.
Thank you so much.
In Movie World.
Yeah, that's not yet the end of our anniversary here. So, we just started our anniversary here in Movie World and meron pa kami pupuntahan later on, which is nasa sunod naming vlog. Kaya, huwag nyo skip, panoorin nyo yung sunod naming vlog. So, thank you so much for supporting us, guys. Sana hanggang dulo supportahan nyo kami. Let's support small YouTubers! Thank you so